I was looking out online and saw something called a CCU, which means a carbine conversion unit. And I found this from Mech Tech Systems out in Montana. And this system comes with a 16-inch barrel, a fore-end, a rail, and a stock. Now you can buy accessories for it and extend the rail clear back to here. You can take this fore-end off and put another fore-end on. You can put a muzzle flash on it and a muzzle hider on it. There's many accessories that you can get online. But I thought I would want to try it, and you have to have either a Glock, a 1911, or an XD. In my case, I have a Glock. But this, let me show you, generally speaking, what it looks like. It's hefty. It's very well built, and when you pick it up you realize this is not extremely light, but it's not extremely heavy either. It's very well built, and it has a bolt that you pull back. Assembling it and making it work is relatively simple. You have to have a Glock, which is what I have, a 1911 or an XD. In order to assemble it, make sure the chamber is empty. Take your barrel off of your Glock. There is a specific little feed ramp for the Glock that has to go inside your receiver. Doing that, turn it upside down. Place this in here and make sure you push it until you hear the click. Once you've done that, now you have carbine that is ready to use. In my case, it's 9mm, and I'll show you some film about how accurate it really is. What optic you use is up to you. In my case, I simply used an optic I had laying around the house, which was a 4X, inexpensive, and I find it to be very useful for plinking. Why would I want to buy one of these? Well, one of the main reasons is it's lighter than an AR, and it can be used for home defense relatively easy. You can purchase magazines that hold more than your normal for a Glock, or I don't know what the others, all I know is that you can for a Glock. Second thing is, it's fun to shoot, and if you ever want to get anybody interested in the shooting sport, this would be something that you could introduce them into the sport by having them use it, because it's just plain fun. I purchased this Glock from Josh, my Glock right here. I purchased it from Josh Cow, who is a managing partner of Susquehanna Valley Firearms in Bloomsburg. He's a really nice guy to deal with, and if you're ever in the area, Bloomsburg, and are looking for a firearm, drop by and check him out. That's Josh Cow, managing partner of Susquehanna Valley Firearms in Bloomsburg. Now let's take it out and shoot it. The Mech Tech system is ideal for shooting close up and then quickly transitioning to targets some distance away. The first set of targets is 15 yards away and the second set is 40 yards away.